Centenarians share surprising dietary habits worldwide. Bread making changed my perspective on healthy aging after visiting Blue Zones last year. A 98-year-old woman in Sardinia showed me her daily bread recipe that contained no commercial yeast or gluten. This discovery led me to research why certain bread types appear in the diets of the world's longest-living populations. The science behind traditional bread making reveals fascinating health benefits. Naturally fermented breads using wild yeasts create beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that diverse gut microbiomes correlate with increased longevity and reduced inflammation markers. Here's what makes this bread different from commercial varieties. Wild fermentation breaks down complex proteins that cause digestive issues in sensitive individuals. The slow process creates more bioavailable nutrients while reducing compounds that trigger inflammatory responses. This ancient method produces bread that actually nourishes rather than just fills. The fiber content in traditional bread recipes reaches levels rarely seen in modern baking. Using whole ancient grains like einkorn, spelt, and buckwheat provides 8 to 12 grams of fiber per slice. The Harvard School of Public Health confirms that high fiber intake correlates with reduced mortality rates and improved cardiovascular health. Individual responses to this bread vary based on current digestive health and grain tolerance. People with severe celiac disease should still avoid any wheat-containing versions. Those with mild gluten sensitivities often tolerate fermented ancient grains better than modern wheat products. Proper preparation maximizes digestive benefits and nutrient availability. Soaking grains for 12 to 24 hours before grinding activates enzymes that improve mineral absorption. Fermentation for 2 to 3 days allows beneficial bacteria to break down potentially problematic compounds while creating B vitamins. The ingredients used in longevity bread provide specific health benefits. Buckwheat contains rutin, a compound that strengthens blood vessels and supports circulation. Ground flax seeds add omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation. Psyllium husk provides soluble fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Realistic expectations help maintain sustainable bread-making habits. This bread won't guarantee reaching 100 years old, but it supports healthy aging processes. The benefits come from consistent consumption as part of an overall nutritious diet. Dramatic health changes require comprehensive lifestyle improvements, not just dietary modifications. The fermentation process creates unique nutritional compounds not found in commercial bread. Lactic acid bacteria produce postbiotics that support immune function and reduce systemic inflammation. These compounds may contribute to the longevity observed in populations that consume traditionally fermented foods regularly. Some people experience digestive improvements within weeks of switching to fermented bread. Bloating and gas often decrease as gut bacteria adapt to increased fiber and beneficial microorganisms. Energy levels may stabilize due to slower glucose absorption from the complex carbohydrates. Timing bread consumption affects blood sugar response significantly. Eating fermented bread with protein and healthy fats minimizes glucose spikes. Consuming it earlier in the day allows more time for energy utilization. Pairing with vegetables increases overall nutrient density of meals. Different ancient grains provide varying nutritional profiles and flavors. Einkorn contains higher protein levels and different gluten structure than modern wheat. Spelt offers more minerals including magnesium and zinc. Buckwheat provides complete protein with all essential amino acids despite being technically a seed. Combining grains creates more complete nutrition and improved texture. Mixing buckwheat with ground nuts adds protein and healthy fats. Adding seeds like chia or hemp provides additional minerals and omega-3 fatty acids. This combination approach mimics the diverse diets of long-lived populations. The glycemic impact of properly fermented bread differs significantly from commercial varieties. Fermentation reduces rapidly digestible starches while increasing resistant starch content. This modification helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and supports beneficial gut bacteria growth. Storage methods preserve beneficial bacteria and prevent spoilage. Keeping fermented bread in the refrigerator slows bacterial activity while maintaining freshness. Freezing individual slices allows portion control and reduces waste. Proper storage maintains the probiotic benefits for up to 1 week. Cost considerations make homemade fermented bread economically viable. Buying ancient grains in bulk reduces per loaf costs significantly.